Hello everyone, today I share how to create a backlink from reddit.com. So this video will be very important, so don't skip the video and subscribe my channel to get new video. Okay, let's go. Reddit.com is a community website and this website is the most popular website in the world. To create backlink, at first we check reddit.com's DAPI and spam score, because to create a backlink spam score is very important, so we check this. You can see here reddit.com's domain authority is 92 and page authority is 91, and spam score is only 1%. This is most important. Only 1% is spam score. I think reddit.com is a perfect website to create a backlink because it has spam score is only 1%. Now we check how much visitor have this website. Okay, just wait a few times. Okay, you can see here is total visitor is 1.9 billion. So much visitor, and spam score is only 1%. It will be perfect website to create backlink. Okay, now we create a backlink. You can create backlink by two ways. You can create a post and you can post here your link, and also you can submit your link. Okay, now at first we see how to submit link. Okay, my blog post about best banana bread recipe. Now I am copy my title. Now I am give here my title, and you can give here your blog post URL. So I am copy this. Now I am paste here. Now we have to choose a community. Okay, now I am choose this community because my blog posts are food recipe related, so it is very relevant. Now you can request to post. Okay, send request. Okay, this way you can create a backlink, and another way you can create a post here. Now I am again copy my title and give here. Now I am copy my content. To create backlink, your content must will be unique content. Okay, my blog posts are food recipe or banana bread recipe related, so I am take a backlink from relevant keyword. At first I am copy again my URL, and you can see here is banana bread recipe. It is a very relevant keyword to create a backlink. Now I am click on hyperlink, and you can see here is link option available. Now I am give here my link and click on insert. Okay, now you can see here my link are set. You can add photo from here, and also you can video from here, but I don't add anything at now. Now I am again choose a community. You can see here is my first post that was I submit link, that is at now pending. When it will be approved, then I can post here. So at now I cannot post here. After approve, then I can post here. This way you can take backlink to create post and link. Thanks for watching.